Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Microbial World. Today we will be discussing about virus structure and symmetry. Viruses are very small infectious agents with size ranging from 20 to 300 nanometer in diameter. They are non-cellular entities, so they are called as particles. Virus lacks their own independent metabolism and cannot replicate outside the host cell. So they are called as obligate intracellular parasites. Virus that infects bacteria are called bacteriophage. Animal virus infects animals and similarly plant virus infects plants. A basic structure of the virus is a nucleic acid core, either DNA or RNA, surrounded by a protein coat. The central core of nucleic acid of a virus is called genome and the protein coat surrounding is called as capsid. In some virus, an envelope made up of glycoprotein and phospholipid bilayer is present outside the capsid. The basic structural components of a virus are genome, capsid, envelope and enzymes. Genome. Virus contains either DNA or RNA as genetic material, but not both. Virus which contains DNA as genetic material are called DNA virus, and those containing RNA are called RNA virus. A viral genome may consist of linear or circular double-stranded DNA, single-stranded DNA, single-stranded linear RNA or double-stranded linear RNA. Examples include reovirus is a RNA virus which contains double-stranded RNA genome. Parvovirus contains single-stranded DNA. Papovavirus contains double-stranded circular DNA as genetic materials. Capsid. Capsid is the outer layer. Sometimes it is referred to as coat or shell. It serves as an impenetrable shell around the nucleic acid core. Capsid also helps to introduce viral genome into the host cell during infection. The protein coat or capsid is made up of number of morphological similar subunits called capsomere. Each capsomere is further composed of protomere. Capsomere are arranged precisely and tightly together in a repetitive pattern to form complete capsid. The number of capsomere in a capsid varies from virus to virus. The complete complex of nucleic acid and protein coat of a virus particle is called as virus nucleocapsid. Structure of capsid gives the symmetry to the virus. A virus particle may be either cubical or helical or binal or complex symmetry. Envelope. Some virus contains envelope that surrounds the nucleocapsid. Virus without an envelope is called naked virus. The envelope is a bilayer of lipoprotein and glycoprotein. It is acquired by the progeny virus from host cell during virus release by budding process. In some virus, the glycoprotein projects out in the form of spike called peplomere. Some of the peplomers or glycoprotein spike such as hemagglutinin and neuraminidase are involved in binding of virus to host cell. Enzymes. Some virus contains enzymes which play central role during infection process. Some bacteriophage contain an enzyme called lysozyme which makes small hole in bacterial cell that allows viral nucleic acid to get in. Some virus contains their own nucleic acid polymerase which transcribe the viral genome into mRNA during replication process. For example, retrovirus are RNA virus that replicates inside the host cell as DNA intermediate. These viruses possess an RNA-dependent DNA polymerase called reverse transcriptase. Symmetry of virus. Symmetry refers to the way in which capsomere units are arranged in viral capsid. Two kinds of symmetry are recognized in viruses which corresponds to two primary shape, that is, rod and spherical shape of virus. Rod-shaped virus have helical symmetry and spherical-shaped virus have icosahedral symmetry. So first let's discuss helical or spiral symmetry. The capsomere and nucleic acid are wound together to form helical or spiral tube-like structure. Most of the helical viruses are enveloped and all are RNA viruses. The typical virus with helical symmetry is tobacco mosaic virus, which is a RNA virus with 2130 identical capsomeres arranged in a helix. Icosahedral or cubical symmetry. An icosahedral is a polygon with 12 vertices, that is corner, 20 facet, sides and 30 edges. Each facet is an equilateral triangle. Icosahedral capsid is the most stable and found in human pathogenic virus. For example, adenovirus, picornavirus, papovavirus, herpes virus. Icosahedral capsid are of two types. Pentagon icosahedral capsid will have pentagonal capsomere at the vertices, whereas hexagon icosahedral capsid will have hexagonal capsomere at the vertices. Complex symmetry. Some viruses are more complex, being composed of several separate capsomere with separate shape and symmetry. They have a combination of icosahedral or helical symmetry. Examples include pox virus, bacteriophage. Binal symmetry is a type of complex symmetry. The most complicated virus in terms of structure are some bacteriophage which possess icosahedral head and helical tail. Such structure is called binal symmetry. So this is all about virus structure and symmetry. Thank you.